to summarize, if you have an isolated component, meaning it has a galvanic isolation specification and barrier built into it, then you, of course, always want to make sure that the grounds on each side of that isolation barrier are connected to physically different pieces of copper. Otherwise, you totally eliminate that isolation. If you have a standard non-isolated component, but it has different names for some of the ground pins, especially when there is an analog interface on that component, you still want to use a single ground net. And in fact, for many ADCs, those pins are actually connected to each other internally inside the component. So there's already a connection on that semiconductor die. There's no reason to have physically separate ground planes on your PCB. It's just going to make your routing much more difficult. Instead, use a single plane to connect all the pins, but watch your capacitor placement. It's that capacitor placement for these different pin groups that you need to watch for, and make sure you put those capacitors for decoupling right next to those pin pairs on that component.